This World Environment Day, let's commit to protecting what matters most, our planet, and our health. At SolutionsHOC, we believe cleaning should be in harmony with the environment. Our HOCl-based products are inspired by nature, backed by science, and made right here in the USA. Unlike harsh chemical cleaners, our formulas mimic your body's natural defenses. They're eco-friendly, non-toxic, and break down into simple, safe elements, with zero impact on the environment. Celebrate World Environment Day with a cleaner, greener routine. Available at most local Ace hardware stores and other fine businesses on the Big Island. Clean safe, live well. Visit SolutionsHOCl.com.